Greeting fellow modelers. Well, here we have the F-105 Thunder Chief. Now this is a kit from Gomix or Flyworks, and I've seen it also from Hobby Model. So as you can see, we have done the basic fuselage, not everything on it. The nose here is a toothpick. I will show it in the full build video, but it's put in and then glued in place. And then once I've secured it with super glue, this is used basically to shave it down so that it will meet there. The second thing is getting the nose this way. Well, once we perfectly do as much as we can with joining the nose, right, we use our rounding tool, which is this, which I have, to try to smoothen the joint. Once it has dried enough and hardened enough, I use a nail file and I just gently go over the edges, and that's how I manage to then coat after. Hence why it looks like this. As you can see, it is a kit that was hand drawn, so the joints are not exactly 100% perfect. I'm not worried about this. This will be hidden. But what was important was to get all these here aligned as much as possible. Now that we have finished this, we're going to give it a base coat of matte just to protect it as well as protect the edges. Also, the cockpit seat has gone in. I really feel good about it. Here is the instrument panel that's to go there, and this here would be covering the front half. So shortly after this, what I'm going to do is install these, and then we move on to the tail, the engine section, and then the fit. So that's it for this update. I hope you like what you see, and stay tuned for more from the build vlog as we progress further. I have finished the Hurricane. I will show you that in the next video. Well, that's it for this. I hope you like it. Take care, my friends. Walk good. And as always, as I say in our country, one love.